Howdy, how y'all doing? This is George the Fiddler Scrambler. I'm hoping you guys are having a wonderful day. Today we're doing something special. Yeah, I need to put some sills on my windows up at my cabin up at the property. And I'm going to do it on the cheap. Here I'm up at my shed. I'm putting some window sills in. I'm also putting in some cabinets. They're IKEA. Just assembling them per their instruction. We're gonna hang them today if we can. These window sills are not cheap. Not cheap at all. I wanna go on the cheap. So let's go do it. These are 18 or 19 bucks. Oh, let's see if I can find something that's a lot cheaper here. There we go. Make the sill out of that, maybe a little bit wider one. Yeah, this one matches the thickness. Let's make the sill out of that. That will work. That $1.87 a foot will make them about $5.60 a piece. I'm gonna need about 12 feet of this stuff. Whoa, look how long this is. How am I gonna get this in back of my Geo? Oh no, it's a construction play toy. Whoa, watch out. $1.87 a foot. That's what I need. Oh, and Garrett needs to call line 1. Weekend. I'm cutting the sills. I'm just using some floorboard, or I guess this is a door trimming for my windowsills. Looked at the price of a windowsill. They're like $19 for these small windows. Again, it's more of a shed. And these are going to cost me about $3. So I've cut them to size. And I'm going to go and paint the back of it, put them in. And if I want to change them out later, I can. Sills are easy to put in and out. So that's my windowsills. And let's have some fun putting them in. And it should be done next, once I get them painted. It should only take a few minutes to get them in. Got 4 windows to put them in. Already cut them, sawed them, and ready to go. So yeah, pretty fun. So now we need to get this fiberboard casing material to size to fit each one of the windows. It's time to measure and cut. 34 7/8. 34 7/8. Got it? So 34 7/8. It's time to measure that fiberboard. Yeah, 30-something 7/8. Square up that line and set up the miter saw. Measure twice and cut once. Well, matter of fact, that's all the chance you have to cut is just once. Make it right. Go ahead and paint this sill all the way around. Just fill in this fiberboard. Now that looks like I'm a professional painter. Yeah, the DIY guy. Oh wait, I maybe should have wore gloves. Now I'm going to install the sills. I'm going to go ahead and put a few finishing nails in this area. Take some caulking, caulk underneath it, and then caulk around it, and it should look pretty good for a cabin. And again, these are just cheap trim that I'm putting in, not putting really sills in there. It should look pretty good. Let's go see what it looks like at the end. If not, I can just rip it out and put some real sills in. Do these grow? There it goes. Get it down, make that little nip I put in there. Make sure that they're leveled. You might have to put a couple little shims in. Don't forget to caulk around that sill. And yeah, use some spit to make it nice and smooth. Oh, that's looking nice. Wait a minute. I should be wearing gloves again. And there it is. Let's go a little more cleanup and we'll call it quits. That's all we need to do. The last thing to do, yeah, plug up those holes, and touch up the paint.
That's all they do.
These sills look wonderful, and they're quite inexpensive. I think I'll keep them. As we finish this DIY project, I want to thank each one of you for joining us. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. You can continue on with this journey. So now, hit that notification bell. Give me 2 thumbs up because this is George, the Fearless Rambler, wanting to design and build some stairs, signing off.